Ave Coder. In this video I'll show you how to install VS Code on Ubuntu, so please give this video an Emperor's thumbs up, toll the bell and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to go to the official page for VS Code. So we start with Firefox, and in the search we're going to type the VS Code download. That is the one we want. Right, since Ubuntu is a distributive of Debian, we need to click on the deb button, and if download doesn't start automatically, we click on the download button in the top right corner. Okay, so here we need to save file, click OK, and the download begins. Now that it's finished, we need to get to our download folder just to check it's there, and now we switch to the terminal. So we cd to the download folder and we type the following command. I'm going to leave it in the video description below. So this command can effectively unzip the file and install the VS Code. So we're going to type in the password and it begins. So pretty much it is done now. We're going to double check that it's all working perfectly as we expected. Please give this video Emperor's thumbs up, toll the bell and subscribe. That was V. Thank you and goodbye.